G'day traders, happy NFP Friday. I hope you're all doing well today. Hope your morning is starting off well. If it is in fact morning where you are, I hope anyone that's been up for a while has had a good day so far. And as we get ready for non-farm payroll today. Well, as you can probably see, I've got a pretty big announcement. I am partnering with Ascetic Capital. I'm really excited about this. So I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention. And that way you can start checking them out, start putting the word out. But Ascetic Capital is a new prop firm which is launching on the 29th of September this month. Very, very excited to have this opportunity to partner with them. So I wanted to shed some light on them, make this announcement, and then share more information as it comes to hand over the rest of the course of this month. So let's go on over and have a look at the website. So they have a partial website up. And here you can see, and I'll share the link in the description. So please go and check it out. But when you get onto the landing page, straight away there's a pre-launch email watch list where you can subscribe and you will be awarded a 10% discount on your first purchase. So that's a very cool incentive to get involved. So let's have a quick look. So Ascetic Capital is your place to go to for Forex and futures trading. They will be changing the game when it comes to prop firms, which is why I'm really excited to be partnering with them. So if we have a look through their website, this is only a partial website at the moment. So keep that in mind. They've got unbeatable prices, daily payouts, an A-book firm. And for those of you who are not sure what an A-book firm is, an A-book firm routes client trades directly to the market or liquidity providers, meaning profits are made from commissions or spreads. Whereas a B-book firm, they take positions the opposite side to the client's trades, meaning the firm profits when the clients lose or vice versa. So great to see that they're an A-book firm. We've got 1 and 2 phase challenges. They're going to have their own brokerage, one-on-one coaching, no max allocations. There's just so much going on here. 5 funded accounts, which is amazing. What else? Futures coming soon. So to my understanding at this stage, futures and Forex will be launching together on the 29th of September. And here's a big one, the Ascetic debit card. This is a game changer. So essentially, you'll be able to access your profits from your funded account straight from a debit card. This is a really, really cool feature. So you have access to your funds instantly and in your pocket with your card ready to go. So I think that's a really, really cool step forward for prop firms. So we have 2 phase, 10K, 25K, 50K. Obviously, these will be different for futures and whatnot, but this is just the partial site just to give people a taste of what's to come. So go ahead, click on the link in the description to the website, check it out for yourself, subscribe, make sure you subscribe, and that way you can also take advantage of that 10% discount that they're offering, which is a great incentive to get started. This is what the platform will look like. Once you start trading, you'll be able to see your accounts, your profile, your performance. It looks quite clean. Really excited to get my first challenge underway with these guys. So I wanted to, just bring this to your attention. As I say, I'm really excited to be partnering with Ascetic Capital. There'll be plenty more to come. I'll be giving out whatever information comes to hand before launch. I'll be making sure to share it with you guys. There will also be down in the description a link to Ascetic Capital's Discord. Go and join the Discord. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest information as it comes to hand. So please sign up to the Discord and go and check out the website. And we'll see them on the 29th of September, ready for launch. So awesome announcement to share with you guys today on this Friday. I thought it was a fitting day to do so with non-farm payroll, because we also have, with non-farm payroll, will be a very volatile morning session. So I didn't feel that the analysis today was going to be, well, what's the word, as accurate as I'd like it to be, because anything can happen with non-farm payroll. So we'll do our analysis. We'll probably get through it a bit quicker today. And then we'll see how non-farm payroll really undermines all of that, because it really can do anything it wants. All right, guys, let's roll over to the calendar. We'll have a quick look. We know what's coming up anyway, but that's our process. That's where we start every day. Remember, once again, just to have a look in the description for those links to Ascetic Capital's Discord and to their website. Okay, let's look at the calendar. All right, so we have average hourly earnings at 8:30, non-farm employment change and unemployment rate all at 8:30. So this is our non-farm payroll, where we can expect a massive injection of volatility. So there is still time right now to grab some Apex accounts, even some My Funded Futures accounts, using code Jimmy to get the best deal at the moment, and have a crack at some one-shot, one-kill approaches to passing some evals today. If I was going to trade today and using Kimvesco's pad or straddle method, if you haven't seen that, go and check out Kimvesco's video. I'll see if I can find the link to it and throw it in the description as well. But it's a great way to approach expediting these evals. And I would be looking personally for a 40 to 45 pad. And that would make more sense when you watch the video. But essentially, you have a 40-point pad below price. So that's where you would put a buy stop. And then you have a 40-point pad above price where you would put a buy stop. You obviously have your take profits attached to those bracket orders, and then wait for the magic to happen. All right, let's move on over to the charts. Give me 1 second. All right, here we are. We'll put the chart up now that I set it up. All right. So here we are on NASDAQ on the daily. So we had NAS sitting inside this bullish FEG, which currently looks like it might be invalidated, but that doesn't surprise me. if price is pushing down now, we may see non-farm payroll just shoot price higher, but we'll see. At the moment, and this is just purely based on what we're looking at right now, because non-farm payroll is going to mess with all of this. But just for muscle memory, we're going to go through the process. Price resting in a bullish FEG. Looks like it may be invalidating that. However, this is only the start of the day, so to speak. So we could see price respect the bullish FEG still, and see if prices can go higher. So while we're still located here, it's not closed through yet. I'm going to keep a bullish bias. We also have an SMT here though, a bearish SMT to be aware of. With ES, we'll have a quick look at the hourly chart to show that. So we see a bearish SMT at the highs here. And what you can see is, as we consolidated in this range, price has come up the first time into this bearish FEG, rejected, came back down to the bottom of the range, moved to the top of the range into this FEG, respected, and now we've moved outside the range. Now, is it possible that we could be accumulation, manipulation, distribution? Most definitely that's possible. Or we could just sell off completely at non-farm payroll. These are just ideas today, guys. All right. So we'll keep our bullish bias. Let's clear these for NQ, as we're located at that bullish FEG. All right, let's go out to ES on the daily. So here we are on ES. ES has fallen through this bullish FEG. However, we are resting in this bullish FEG. So therefore, bullish bias today on ES. And there we can see that SMT. NQ had a higher high. ES has the lower high. But a similar scenario here with ES, with accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. Be really good to see that play out. We are not taking positions until after non-farm payroll, if you choose to do so. It's also a really good day just to stay out of the markets, unless you want to take advantage of expediting the evals. So if you're doing that, then 8:30 is when you want to be looking to do that. CL on the daily. So yesterday we were located at this swing low, which gives us a bullish bias. We had that bullish bias. Price did actually expand higher, and it was looking really good to see price turn around here, get that reversal. Price then sold off as much as it bought up. So we did close slightly higher, but nothing significant there on oil yesterday. We are still at this low, so still looking for a bullish bias on oil. And we'll see when we get down to the hourly. We also have a bullish SMT with UK oil. So you can use UK oil for your correlation with CL, and therefore we can look at an SMT with those two assets. We can see here price tried to push up. We had a change in the state of delivery that failed. after reaching this bearish FEG. And then we see this balanced price range. Price tries to get back through, and at this balanced price range, it rejects again. So we also had yesterday a change in the state of delivery, which I have marked here, which failed. It acted as resistance at that point. We've now broken through and then fallen back through again. So quite choppy price action on oil at the moment. I would like to see, if we are going to get that move higher, that we respect this change in the state of delivery and actually get a close above and displace higher. So remaining bullish on oil. So gold, we've had some nice expansion higher and still using the most recent information, which is this swing low. So still looking for bullish price action on oil. On gold rather. Must be Friday. Feeling a little bit exhausted. All right, having a look at the hourly. So a nice change in the state of delivery. Price respecting that level. We've also got this SMT here with silver, bullish SMT, low resistance liquidity all the way through here, and price is reaching higher. So we are consolidating through this -1 level. Be nice to just see price continue to reach higher here. And we are respecting bullish PD arrays. We can see that we respected this bullish FEG through here too, and through here. So bullish on gold. Moving over to euro. So euro futures did get a close above this bearish FEG. So yesterday we did have a bearish idea because we were located in this bearish FEG. That was at the time of analysis. Price did close above, and now it looks like price may continue to reach higher here. So bullish now that we've invalidated or mitigated this bearish FEG, and what we have is another FEG that's in a premium here. So looking for price to reach up into this level here, and then we'll reassess what we think price might do from there. On the hourly here, we can see that price had a nice reversal here. There was no displacement through this level, so it's not a true change in the state of delivery through this leg. However, price did respect that and then displaced from there. We can see price is respecting that bullish PD array. We've also closed above the -2.5, so we can anticipate price to expand to our -4, which is aligned with this high. Dixie. Okay, so Dixie mitigated this bullish FEG and also gapped down today. We know gaps like to be filled. Will that be filled today? Well, we'll find out after non-farm payroll what happens. But using our bias the way we do, then because that FEG has been mitigated, I'd be looking for price to reach to this external. So bearish for Dixie. And here we are on Euro FX, and we can see clearly we mitigated the bearish FPG even more so on the FX contract here. So keeping that same bullish bias and see if price can reach up into this gap. GBP, it did find that support here at the bullish FPG, so continuing to look for higher prices on GBP. GBP had a change in the state of delivery, high resistance liquidity on our side of price, low resistance liquidity on the other side of price. We also see a unicorn or a breaker here, and there's a breaker here as well, which has displacement through it. We've respected that breaker and pushed higher off of that. All right, let's wrap it up there, guys. Trade safe today. Remember, it is non-farm payroll today, so trade safe. Please drop down into the description below. Go and check out Ascetic Capital. Get excited because I'm excited. Really looking forward to what they have to offer. They really will be a game changer in the prop firm space. Very excited to be partnering with them. All right, guys. Have a great day. Actually, I should mention as well, in the Ash Capital Discord today, I'm doing the student stage. It's going to be brought forward just because of the time difference with me being in Australia. So that will be at 9 a.m. today. Go and check it out. We'll see you in the student stage. Have a great weekend, everyone. Trade safe, and we'll catch you next week. Bye for now.